How is going everybody on YouTube? Today we're coming back with a channel ZumbaK. We're gonna react on Pimple popping explosion from TikTok. Here what it is. We didn't need all. And it's so huge Pimple. Bro. Do you feeling this is not so much, it's like oh yes, he did it. I see this guy have another video. Yes, let's take a look together. Oh, this is Sajin. Next part, yes. Come on. Oh, this look like an explosion from some. No way. Wow. Wow. It's such a wow. It's cringe, yes, cringe like a. Oh, I'm okay. It hurt, but it's okay. It hurt, but it's okay. Come on, he had to cure it. Ah, it's something. Ah. Okay, well done. Well done. This is absolutely insane. Congratulations. He did it. He did it, yes. Looking at these videos, sometimes it got satisfying, or some video maybe look like disgusting, but this one is feeling satisfying when you are watching, and I think that you guys love it when, especially the part that it explodes. It explode like you are. Oh man, it's so long explosion from the face of this man. Okay, take a good care. See you for the next video.